Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is an impressive tablet that stands out in the competitive landscape of high-end devices. With its 14.6-inch AMOLED display, users can expect vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making it ideal for both media consumption and productivity tasks. The screen's resolution of 2960 by 1848 pixels ensures that every detail pops, whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or browsing the web. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which provides lightning-fast responsiveness and seamless multitasking capabilities. Coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM, users can run multiple demanding applications without any lag, enhancing the overall user experience. This tablet excels in gaming as well, handling graphics-intensive titles effortlessly. The build quality is remarkable, with a sleek aluminum chassis that feels premium in hand. Weighing in at just 737 grams, it's relatively lightweight for its size, making it portable enough to carry around. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra also features an S Pen, which magnetically attaches to the back of the device, providing a natural writing experience for note-taking or sketching. Regarding battery life, the device impresses with its 10,090 mAh capacity. It easily lasts a full day of intensive use, with quick charging capabilities ensuring you spend less time tethered to a power source. The tablet also includes quad speakers tuned by AKG, delivering an immersive audio experience that complements its stunning visuals. One downside is the lack of expandable storage, as it doesn't support microSD cards. However, the internal storage options of up to 512 GB should suffice for most users. The absence of cellular connectivity limits its versatility for those who require internet access on the go. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is a powerhouse of a tablet, bridging the gap between a laptop and a mobile device, making it an excellent choice for professionals, creatives, and entertainment enthusiasts alike.